damn it, guess what? It's still not walkable. Okay, definitely we're gonna take this boat. There is no other solution. Okay, I'm getting kind of close, but it's still water and we are here by the bridge. And it doesn't look like I can get to there. Okay, I think we have no choice. See, the tide is still so far. So we will just have to just go like this in the bloody water and see how we get to here. Yes. At the risk of getting my entire kimono wet. Getting all my kimono wet, god damn it, we got to do this. Awesome. Yes, we finally made it. Underneath TORII. Oh, so happy. Yay. And look at all the coins here. Yay. Awesomeness. Because I think, okay, I think there are days when the tide is high and when it's low. So probably, unless we do it like we did now, we will never get all the way here. Ah, wow, and look at all these coins that were put here by somebody. Amazing. So, wow, look at these. And they are going to restore it. They will restore it, and it's going to be 3 years covered up. 3 years. It's epic, totally epic. Seriously. I think today nobody's gonna get underneath this thing. My god, yay! Kudos to Adeyto! See, you can also kayak here. Yo, baby, freaking awesomeness. So close. We are so close, like nobody else. Yay, we made it! We are the hero! Super freaking awesome! Under the TORII. Nobody gets here. Not today. Yay, so happy! Yay! With my new red kimono. Shooting stunning photos like this. And yeah, by the way, in order to avoid people being really annoyed with me, I'm hiding myself behind hey behind the side, you know, where people can see me, you know, like I'm hiding myself here to not annoy the people photographing from sides. Yes! I think now I totally deserve some gorgeous lunch with my wet pants. Wow! Okay, that's fun. Damn it! That was really nice. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna do this probably again without pants on. But yeah. Oh my goodness. So now all the people from that side are taking Ouch, our photos. We did it! I'm sorry, but I had to do that. Yes! We did it! Okay. Yes! And now let's get lunch. Yay! I got the kaki again from the same lady like yesterday, but if we are on MIYAJIMA, you should eat kaki 3 times a day, and that's my goal. And yeah, I walk barefoot all the way to the hotel. Hello, kaki! And yeah, this is how I came back home. Jump to the tallest hotel on the island.